If you change your air conditioner brand or model, you will need to reconfigure your controller's infrared code settings in the portal to match the new air conditioner. Go to Devices and select Controllers. Click on the Properties icon of the controller where you change your air conditioner. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find AC model. You will see the current air conditioner brand and model. Click Configure. All the current settings of the air conditioner will be kept. Only change the setting if it has changed. This includes the direction of the air conditioner. Select the new air conditioner brand if it has changed. Select the new air conditioner model. If you cannot find a perfect match, select the closest matching model. A new code will be generated automatically based on your new brand and model selections. You may choose to perform functional tests before confirming the new code. Select a function that you would like to test. Then click the Test button. If you hear a beep from your air conditioner after a few seconds, this means that the infrared code was received. Check if the operation of the air conditioner matches the test function you selected. If you are satisfied with the test results, click Done to start downloading the new infrared codes to your controller. Your controller LCD screen will display the download progress from 0 to 99. The download process may take between 1 and 3 minutes. Wait until the codes are fully downloaded. When you see this success message and the controller LCD goes back to the last settings, this means you have successfully reconfigured your infrared codes for your new air conditioner. Click on Go to Device Properties and you can see that the AC model is now changed.